Alright, I thought I'd show you guys something. This is my first video of 2019. Again, I'm on my phone. I'm getting ready to go into Office Depot. I'm sitting out in the parking lot. Probably the last time. I've made many trades, of course, but I don't really care to take the time to do it. But I'm just doing one because people think I need to do it, so I'm making one. So anyway, let me show you something kind of interesting. Here's Amazon. I'm going to change the account to show you how I started this morning. You see at the top right over here where I'm changing my account numbers, I've got multiple accounts. I've been blessed to make money, so I have multiple accounts. So here's an account, this one up here. I was trading Amazon. It's an expensive stock, so I can only do a little bit of shares. You see up there at the peak, I had 40 shares. Well, I bought down there low, right back there, and the thing went up. I closed the stocks at that 1647, okay? I think I made, I can't remember what I made. Let me check. Now I'm going to go to my pictures because I took a screenshot earlier. Okay, I had that 40 shares. You see up near the top left, 40 shares. I was making $500. Down there you see the chart at the bottom. This is the 4th of February, and I'm making $500. Okay, I'm gonna skip over. I got my 40 shares. You see I'm up 507, back up to the top left right there in the green, 507.20. Got this trade going on. I'm driving around. Now it's up 644. Okay, good. I've got a great trade happening. And now it's at 854. Okay, if I were to got out at that 1648.25 down on the left, you see the green there, 1648.25. If I got out there, I'd make $854 roughly, minus a couple bucks for commission. So I then closed the trade. You see, I got out at 47, $1 off. So I'm going to back this screen back up. I made $40 less. I made $814 roughly on that trade. So that's pretty awesome while I'm driving to do my appointments. Okay, right after that, you look over at the right, you see that account number ending in 647. That was that account. I used all that money I had. So my template, which is my process, it's not special software, it's how I've learned to engage the market, gave me high probability it's time to play the stock going down. So I've learned how to do this correctly. So what I did, I tried to sell short, to play it going down. It wouldn't let me, so I had to go over and grab my other account, which is right here. Okay, you see that account number over at the right, up under that star, 212, it's another account. Up there, you see I shorted it, and I changed the numbers. I only had 39 shares. Remember the other trade, I had 45, playing it going up. This time I turned around, and look, it was perfect entry. I had a perfect exit on that other trade, perfect entry on this trade. That doesn't happen every time, but for me, more times than not, because I've just been doing this so long. So, and I can teach you that. So I'm playing it going down. It's at $602, okay? And look up there right in the middle. The actual time is 3:12 p.m. Right under that, I took that picture at 2:07. That's what that is. But it's really 3:12 Eastern time. So that trade's working out. That's awesome, isn't it? Now I'm going to took another picture. Let's go back. That was at 2:07. Right up there where the word today is. It says 2:07. I'm making 6:02. It's still working in my favor. At 2:50, I'm out in the parking lot and somebody's car alarm's going off. It's funny. When I make these videos, all kind of weird stuff happens out here. So anyway, you see I'm making $743 now, okay? Now I'm going to go back to my real trading platform. Any platform will work. That's fine. I happen to use TradeStation. I've been there 18 years. You know, once I discovered how to trade, it took me a while, and it wasn't happiness. But once I figured it out, I haven't changed anything in 18 years. Matter of fact, just a month ago, Christmas time, right at the 1st of January, I take my family to vacations up, in the cabins and stuff. So I go up there the day after Christmas. I'm rolling out of bed. I grab my phone, and I seen a trade. I took the trade, and about an hour and a half later, I closed the trade. I made $2,002. That was pretty awesome. The next day, 2 days after Christmas, 27th, I'm rolling out of bed, and I pop open my phone, see a trade, because I've learned when, the big question is, when is an optimum time to engage, and when's an optimum time to disengage? Once you figure that out, it's a whole new game. So I did that again. It just so happened to be about 2 hours, if I remember. I closed the trade, and I made $1,800, 18 and some change. So what's cool about that is I'm on vacation in the mountains with my phone 2 days in a row. Now those were great trades. It was awesome. They could have been $50 trades. I could have lost some money on those trades. I have no clue. When I go to make a trade, I don't know where the price is going to go ultimately. That's how you got to learn how to follow it correctly. But those could have been nothing trades, but they were just two great trades. Now, when you can do that many, many days over and over, that's how it adds up. You take your losing trades, offset it with your winning trades, and there you go. So besides me being on vacation from my phone in the cabin, I had about 10 people in the cabin with us. Not one of them, even my wife, didn't even know I was trading. So that's how you can get, when you get comfortable, proficient at this, you just got your income potential right in your hand, and you just go with it. So today, I'm out here, thought I'd take a moment, because I had to take a call, and I said, hey, let me look at this. So you see Amazon. Now I'm going to go to Amazon. I'm going to click it and pull up Amazon. And here's the one I'm still trading. I'm at 725. So I'm good enough. I'm going to close this trade so you can see what happens. You see at the top green button it says close, and you see the prices. Matter of fact, go back to the short 39, that price of 726. You see that bumps around a little bit. 710, so it's at 710 now. I'm going to hit trade. I'm going to close my 39 shares. I'm going to select a market order. That means get out right now. Buy to cover, send it, let's see what happens. Boom, I got out at 1630.88 cents. Okay, so I'm done with that trade. Okay, there we go, I'm done. There you go. Got in at the red dot up there, got out at the blue dot. So the red dot and the blue dot, they show up after I make the trade. They're not my template. They just are there for markers for my benefit, okay? Some people accidentally think, oh, the blue dot tells him when to do it, the red dot tells him. No, they don't tell me anything. That's where it happened at. Yeah, here we go. Sorry, someone called me. When they call, it cuts my recording off, so I had to start it right back up. So the blue dot, red dot, they're just there. I don't have anything on here that I would be teaching you. This is just showing you a trade, but if you decide, you think it's prudent, you think it's wise to have someone show you, that's where I teach you, what am I looking at? What am I seeing? How to engage the trading. So anyway, hope this 2019 is a phenomenal year for you. It says, what have you received that you haven't received from above? All good gifts come from above. Having a nice way to generate your own income, you own the source of your income, is a fantastic blessing. I do like to say this. I had a person recently, it was a lady, could have been a man, but it was a lady. She made some statements that kind of looked like I was promising her something or something. She was just, it was a little rough on me, I guess. It's probably her personality, I think, what it is. But I don't promise people they're going to be superstars here. I can't do that. It's illegal to do that. And if anybody thinks that I'm guaranteeing their success, then they just shouldn't do this. It's not for them. Their minds are kind of off kilter a little bit. All I can do is the very best of what I know. There's a scripture that says, do nothing out of selfish ambition or vain conceit. Rather, think more highly of others than yourselves, not looking to your own interest, but each of you to the interest of others. So that's what I do. The code of trying to live and love others and help others, that's what I've been able to be blessed to do. So if this is something that resonates with you, I'm more than happy to share with you what I've learned, okay? Anyway, have a great day. So there's my roughly $1,500 from my mobile phone. All right, thank you very much.